Hi Keep Free team, welcome back to my channel. This is Keep Free Cooking with Ada, where we cook with no cubes. Yes, so this is Christmas and it's a season of giving, a season of entertainment. It's season where you give and give even to your enemies. So a lot of people will be expecting a lot of chopping from you when they come visiting, so you don't want to run out of dish inspo. Here I have got so many dish inspo for you and your families and friends to keep entertaining them this Christmas. So if you want to learn how I made this delicious vegetable sauce that you can enjoy with fried yam, boiled yam, white rice and all what have you, now you have to watch this video to learn how. Let's get cooking. Welcome back, and so we are starting. Remember I said you can enjoy this vegetable sauce with fried yam, boiled yam, rice and all what have you. So we're gonna be frying our yam, which is one of the dishes we're going to be having with this vegetable sauce. And so I already diced the yam and I heat up the red oil and then I'm frying straight ahead. Now you might be wondering, why am I using palm oil for this? Feel free to use your vegetable oil, your groundnut oil, but to have the local aroma that we need for this, because the sauce itself is made with palm oil, then you need to fry the yam with palm oil. And you don't have to bleach, because when you bleach the palm oil you're going to lose that local taste. Okay, so you just have to get it a little bit hot and then you go straight and start frying. Now guys, I don't know why this oil is actually foaming. You guys know I've been using it. This is the last batch of it. I don't know why it just started foaming. You know what we have in the market these days, a lot of adulteration, but we keep praying to God for his guidance and protection. Okay, so I'm already taking out the yam because it's fully fried. And guys, the sound alone shows how crunchy this yam is gonna be. It's well dried and well looking nice. Oh my god, I hope you're gonna try this out. You will really enjoy the dish. Okay, so can you see the beauty? Look at this, look at the color. If you had fried this with vegetable oil, you won't have this color, believe me. So the color is another beauty to the dish that you only get frying it with red oil. And then look at the yam, so crunchy, so crispy. Okay, so right straight into making of the vegetable sauce. I have my mackerel fish already steamed, and what I'm just doing here is to just debone and then get it mushy. So this is what we're going to be adding to just have, you know, some gallops in our mouth while eating this dish. You can as well make do with beef, with any form of protein at all. So done mashing and then right into the oil that's already on the flame, heated up. Do not bleach. The same oil that I use frying the yam is what I'm using here. So I just threw in some diced onion and I'm going to get it fried to a little bit dried, and then after that I just added blended ginger and garlic paste. You can also skip this if you don't like ginger and garlic, but remember this is cubeless cooking, and so we explore all other form of spices and herbs where we'll do away with seasoning cubes and sachet. Yeah, so after getting it fried a bit, I added diced chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. And after that, I just added some diced chopped tomatoes. Yes, guys, you cannot do without tomato in this recipe. Yes, we're doing all veggie and it's really healthy. I hope you're going to try this. Meanwhile, have you given this video a thumbs up? Please kindly like this video. Remember to share this delicious goodness with your family and friends. Someone might need it somewhere. What we do here is about health, not just about cooking. So it is advisable that you share this with your friends and family. Okay, after that, I just threw in the already mashed mackerel fish. You can use anything, meats, snail, dry fish, name it, to make your own, you know, all spiced up. Okay, so to that I just added some grinded crayfish. In cubeless cooking, you cannot do without crayfish. Crayfish is one powerful food seasoning that you don't know of. Anyways, just try it, just give it a try. Now to that I added some turmeric, and you have to be very careful while adding your turmeric, because turmeric shows itself a lot. If you if you misuse it, it will misuse your food. Okay, so after that I added some salt, and that will just be all for the seasoning. We're just using salt to season, no cubes. And then I give it a good stir and allow it to fry a bit, you know, like 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then I'm adding the veggies. Now I'm going to be adding these veggies in batches so it doesn't mess up my gas cooker with overflow. All right, because you could see that this is already filled, the pan is already filled up. So after turning this, I'm going to be adding the remaining portion of the vegetable. Now to that, I still give it a stir to combine everything together. Guys, isn't this looking delicious already? Like you feel like eating it from my screen, don't you? Go ahead and try it and let me know how it turns out for you on the comment section. And also let me know if you like what you see on the comment section, guys. But believe me, it's really, really nice. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's nutritious, it's everything. And I'm just going to give it a taste to taste for salt. And oh my, this tastes heavenly. Like when you say heavenly, have you been to heaven? It's just to try to describe to you what this tastes like. It tastes so good, guys. Okay, so I'm going to allow it to fry for just 30 seconds because your vegetables should be fresh after cooking, and then I'll take it out and serve it. Done and dusted. It is time now to serve our fried yam. Guys, this yam, oh, can you hear the sound? The way it's sounding into the plate, the sound is making shows that it's really, really crispy. Oh my goodness. Okay, to that I'm just going to be adding our delicious vegetable sauce. Wow. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this video already and that you're going to give this a try. I wish you could have a taste of this beauty. I wish you could have a taste. It tastes so nice, guys, I must tell you. Yeah. And next, we're gonna be serving it with boiled yam. Like I told you, you cannot just leave this vegetable sauce to only be served with fried yam. No, this is another inspo for you. Now this is my boiled yam. Forget how it's looking. I used some pepper soup stock to boil it. That's why it's looking a bit browny, and you see some, you know, stuff like pepper, you know, those stuffs you see on top, they are from the pepper soup stock. All right, okay, so to that I just add this delicious veggie sauce, and hey, who is coming over to have some taste? Wow. And this is what remains. And yes, guys, I am not going to miss eating this with my rice. You see this sauce? I can't keep eating it with my rice, so I'm going to leave that one and have my rice boiled for it. Oh my god, I hope you already liked this video. Please comment, share this video with your family and friends. God bless you as you do that. Okay, like I told you, so this is the next day. I had to keep some in the freezer until I had my rice boiled. So here I'm enjoying it with this rice, and it tastes so nice. Give it a try, guys. Just give it a try. Have you liked this video already? Please like, comment, and share this video with family and friends. Thank you, and God bless you as you do that. Now this is where we're gonna call this a day. I just wish that you can have a bite. See how delicious it's looking. Anyways, till I see you in my next episode, please do stay safe and take care. Bye bye.